Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my another online class. I am Farhan Ahmed Shumi, assistant teacher, Hatajari Parvati Model Government High School. I am going to take a class on for the grammar for the students of class 9 and 10. Dear students, hope that you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, here you can see a sentence. He could not go to college. What kind of sentence is this? This is completing sentence. He could not go to college because of his illness. We will complete this sentence. So, let us discuss about completing sentence. After the end of the lessons, dear students, we will be able to identify some items of completing sentence, identify the formation of completing sentence and complete incomplete sentences. Dear students, the first item is because of, on account of, owing to, due to. These are, we know, these four are phrases. These phrases means the same. These phrases Bengali's meanings is are jonne. He cannot do hard job on account of his illness. Dear students, he cannot do hard job on account of his illness. Then we will see another completing sentence, use of would rather. I would rather drink tea than coffee. We will complete the sentence. Here I will give you some activities. I would rather die than I would back. I would rather go. Another sentence blank, then fail. You will try this sentence to complete. Use of had better. These Bengali meanings borrow bhalo. You had better go. Dear students, had better means it is unreal first. It does not mean past tense, rather it denotes present and future. We will not use any infinitive after had better. Now you will try these sentences. After that, I will discuss use of no sooner than. No sooner, when we will use no sooner than, this structure no sooner had plus subject plus V3 plus extension plus then plus subject plus V2. Here we will see example. No sooner had he reached the station. After that we use then the train left. When we will use no sooner had, this structure, this last portion of the sentence, we will use first indefinite tense. These activities for you. No sooner had the police come, no sooner had the bell rang, we started for home. No sooner had the magic started, then the play began. No sooner after that, when we find use of it is time, when it means proper time, then we will use this formation. It is time to plus v1 plus extension. Example is, it is time to plus v1 start the plane. Formation 2, it is time for plus object plus 2 plus v1 plus extension. It is time for me to board the plane. After that, completing item 9, it is time. When time is over, then it is time plus subject plus v2 plus extension. It is time we v2 verb started the train journey. Use of it is high time. Time is over. When time is over, it is high time plus subject plus v2 plus extension. It is high time we started journey by bus. Here started v2. These activities for you. It is time to start our work. It is high time to go. It is high time to go to school. It is time to read. It is time for us going there. Completing item. Another, when we find as if or as though. Subject plus v1 plus extension, as if as though plus subject plus v2 plus extension. When we find the first portion of the sentence v1, then we will use v2 in the second part of the second clause of the sentence. He speaks as though he knew everything. Here knew is v2. Second, subject plus v2 plus extension plus as if plus as though plus subject plus had plus v3 plus extension. He spoke as though he had known everything. Dear students, here spoke v2, he had known v3. Dear students, then we discuss let alone undesirable thinking. First we use negative sentence plus let alone plus relevant part of the sentence. He cannot live in a hut, let alone an aristocratic house. These activities for you. He cannot eat a mango, let alone 7 lengths 10 kilometers. He cannot play Subet, let alone length GPA 5. He cannot cook rice, let alone. Okay, dear students, thank you. I think we will enjoy the class.